today we're going to draw Elmo and Cookie Monster from Sesame Street.
Cookie.
Okay. All right.
Cookie Mozzarella cookie.
Okay, let's start with Elmo first. Okay. We're gonna.
Okay. Can we draw Cookie Monster eating a cookie?
Maybe. Okay, let's do Elmo first. Okay. So we're gonna do his nose in the middle of your page. Can you find your middle? Okay. This is how big his nose is. Okay. All right. And then on top of that, we're gonna do like Mickey Mouse ears, but they're his eyeballs. Okay. Eyeball here, and eyeball here. And now we're going to draw his eyeballs. The two black dots in the middle. Okay. And now we'll draw his face. His face is like, looks like a football. Okay. It's oval, but pointy on each end. Okay. So now we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth. We're going to draw his body. It's a long oval like this. Okay, we're going to draw his arm, left arm, and his right arm. 3 fingers. Okay, and then his legs. His foot. And he has a big smile. And we're going to fill that in black later, okay? Alright, now we're going to draw Cookie Monster. At the top of the page, we're going to do 2 big circles, this big, this big. They're touching, okay? Then one eyeball is looking to the here, to the right, and one is looking down to the left. Okay, and we're going to draw his, so this part is the same as Elmo, okay? So we're going to do a line here. Gonna do a line here. Okay, so we're gonna connect that with a big curvy line like this. And then this part we're gonna curve to the right, okay? Pay attention. Curve to the right. Okay, and then this part is gonna curve to the left. Then we're gonna draw his body. Okay, his body's gonna be this. So this is his leg here, so we're going to do his foot. Foot. Okay. And then his arms are on the side here. Okay. Alright, so that's Cookie Monster and Elmo. Let's color them.